If your hair is thinning, breaking, refuse to grow, or your scalp is feeling weak, this video may change everything. I create a natural cleanser shampoo using rice and fenugreek water. Add hibiscus and bay leaf plus my cloves. Boil it together. This is not just a cleanser shampoo. This is a hair growing activator, a breaking hair stop and scalp healing naturally. Watch carefully because one mistake can ruin the results, and one screw timing can double your hair grow. I soaked my rice and fenugreek on water last night. So right now what we have to do here, I'm going to take the fenugreek and the rice water. That one I'm going to use to make this treatment, okay? But well, you can use only rice water to make it. You can also use just normal water to boil your hibiscus, bay leaf and cloves to use to make this cleanser shampoo, okay? So no problem for that. So the most shampoos can clean the hair but destroy your scalp. It's true. And the tips oil, weak follicles and slow growing without you realizing it, because this thing, it will make your hair is not going to be growing. You are not going to be putting more attention on it. So guys, let me tell you people, when you take it like this, the remaining one, I'm not throwing it away. I'm going to use it for hair mask also for me and my daughter. So please, when after watching this one, I know maybe it can happen which one that I will post first, I don't know, but come back and watch that video, fenugreek and rice hair mask, to see how you can prepare your own nourishing length retention hair mask, okay? It's very good and it's very beneficial. So right now I just bring one handful of the hibiscus to put inside of the water. The next ingredient that I'm going to add also is going to be my bay leaf that I'm adding, okay? Bay leaf, I know everyone know bay leaf, so that one day I don't need to talk too much. So bay leaf, that I'm adding bay leaf into it. So after the bay leaf, our next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be cloves, okay? So please stay tuned and watch carefully because every single mistake can run your results. So I don't want that thing to happen to you, so please stay tuned. So right now the next ingredient that I'm adding is my 1 tablespoon of cloves, okay? I'm using 1 tablespoon of cloves. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. This cleanser shampoo, when you are going to do it, if like you have a children like my child age, don't add cloves. This one is for me, okay? Don't add cloves, or if you add the cloves, always make patches test to your child before apply the shampoo into the child hair, because this thing can cause the child hair itchiness and other things, because her scalp is not all that strong enough to take this thing. So please always make sure before you apply to a child hair, make some patches test. Even you yourself also, you can do patches test before you use this shampoo, okay? If you don't have any allergy for it, before you add your shampoo also, even this water, just use the water to taste it before you add your shampoo into it. You can also use black soap also. After you are melting like this, you are boiling your thing for 10 minutes, allow it get cool. After it get cool, you can add your black soap also to turn it to a powerful shampoo, cleanser shampoo. Healthy hair, it always starts from the healthy scalp. I think this thing I say it too, so all my video I've been saying it. Healthy hair always started from the healthy scalp. If you have a healthy hair, it means you have a healthy scalp. Before you get a healthy hair, it means your scalp needs to be healthy. If you don't have healthy scalp, you cannot get the healthy hair. So how can you do? Because this cleanser shampoo is very important for you to be using it for your hair, to be cleansing your hair. A lot of products that we are putting into our hair, gels, butters, leave-in conditioner, oils. So these things, one is come to be a build up in your scalp, is going to be difficult for you to clean it. So time to time, this type of thing that your hair need it, you need to be preparing it for yourself, okay? So this cleanser was created to clean without damaging while feeling the scalp, nourishing nutrients, is going to be full of everything. So now after I boil it, right now I'm just bring my sieve to sieve, but I'm not going to stand there. I'll still use my filter to filter it because I want to make sure that there's no any particles inside. So after that, I please the shampoo, always make sure to use any shampoo of your choice. It doesn't matter which shampoo that you are going to add, always add the shampoo of your choice. As I said, even black soap also, you can use black soap to turn it to be a cleanser shampoo. Okay, so while I'm pouring this in inside, let's just go through to see if we can just get some summarize about the benefit of this cleanser shampoo. Rice water, when you soak your rice or you cook rice and take the, but I can only advise like when you soak the rice and take the water is much better. So rice water is also strengthening hair shaft and adding shining. It's reducing hair breaking and improving elasticity to your hair. Why rice also having vitamin, it's have vitamin B and vitamin B6, vitamin E and amino acid. That is what we have from rice. So rice is very very good. And when you check about rice, so many people, those people have a long hair, and that is the secret of them using it to be growing their hair, making it looking more shining and natural and healthy. So now I pour my shampoo inside and I start to mixing it. I'm going to be add another ingredients inside. That's why I told you guys you need to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And also I will give you a tips about the children when you are going to apply it to a child, also what you should do. That one also I will explain to you people. Okay, right, let's check and see fenugreek. Fenugreek is stopping hair shedding and thickening hair. It's also adding natural moisturizer, dry scalp, and encouraging new hair growing. So fenugreek is very very good while you are using it. If you have thinning hair, you want your hair to get more thicker, try to be incorporating fenugreek into your routine. Why fenugreek also have key nutrients and they have potassium, iron, it have nicotinic acid also is there. So fenugreek is very very powerful. So right now after that, the next I'm putting into my carrot oil. Please guys, you can check my channel to watch that video how you can do to infuse your own carrot oil. It's very very powerful. So I added 2 tablespoons of carrot oil because carrot oil is a little bit the shampoo is a little bit much, so I added 2 tablespoons. So now I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. So why I'm adding vitamin E oil, let's check and see hibiscus benefit. Hibiscus is preventing premature gray and also thickening hair. It's encouraging faster hair growth and improving hair texture. Hibiscus is having vitamin C and an amino acid and antioxidant, which is very very good. So now after I add my vitamin E oil, I start to mix it. So let's check and see the benefit of bay leaf. Bay leaf also is stimulating blood circulation and strengthening hair growth, reducing scalp infection and helping hair to grow stronger. So imagine these things when your hair is not thin. If you have a thin hair, your hair is not strong, you are using this type of cleanser shampoo to be doing in your hair, you are going to enjoy it because you start getting thicker hair. Unless maybe if you cannot, if you know you don't want thicker hair, you don't want your hair to grow, then that one there don't use it. But if you are looking for something like that, but try to do this and be using it. So the key benefit of vitamin that or minerals bay leaf also have is have vitamin A, vitamin C, it's having an iron. It's have so many benefits when you check. Okay, so when you check about cloves also is improving scalp circulation, fighting for dandruff and stimulating hair follicles and adding shining to your hair. Cloves nutrients, it have nutrients also. It's also having vitamin K, vitamin C and antioxidant, which is very good. Why shampoo also is shampoo is keeping the scalp balance allowing safe cleaning your hair, and also preventing build up, when your hair is going to you have build up. But some of the shampoo, when you buy like that, you have to turn it to a powerful to create it to a powerful shampoo, because definitely what you are expecting, don't think that in the market you can just get everything 100% what you want. So when you bring it home, you can turn it to be a powerful thing. So I added my infusing oil, our carrot oil. Carrot oil is stimulating hair growth and adding thickness and improving elasticity to your hair. Carrot is having vitamin A and beta carotene. I added honey. Honey also is locking the moisture and improving and preventing hair dryness and adding softness to your hair. Guys, now I'm going to stop here and tell you people, this type of things, that oil I'm adding for my daughter, as you guys can see the result. I'm not going to say anything. At least at the child of 3.5 years, you can see that the things is okay for hair for me to be using. So please, that one I'm saying that whatever that you are going to use, if your child, try to do patches test before you apply to your child, because it can happen that the ingredients is not good for your child hair, but it can be good for my child hair. And also, when you are going to do one, please, the cleanser shampoo, don't add cloves inside. The children, you can use bay leaf and hibiscus. That is the tips that I'm going to tell you guys. Don't add cloves, because cloves, sometimes I remember I used cloves for some time before princess own was finished. When I put it inside, immediately when we finished washing, I was even regretted, because my child was just putting all her hands was in her hair. He tell me that, mommy, my hair is itching, my hair is itching. So I get so scared. That's why I'm telling you people. So now I'm not adding any clues into her cleanser shampoos again. So please, when you are going to prepare it for your child also, that one I'm going to tell you, because I don't want maybe for you to say, oh, you didn't tell me this, I didn't hear this. So if you don't watch it up to this point and you do mistake, it's your own problem, not me. Okay, so don't add cloves into it. Make sure you use only hibiscus and bay leaf, and it's safe for children. But cloves can be a little bit stronger than the child's scalp. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. And the most important part also, please, the children, let us keep their hair a little bit loose, not too, yeah, very tight protectable style also is causing hair damaging. Actually, this is not only for the children. We the adults, or we the parents also, our hair can get damaged through from the tight style. So when you are looking for a way to grow your hair long, thicker and healthy, please always make sure to keep your hair a simple style, that, or any style that is not content about very tight style. Make it a little bit loose, so that you will not go to bed while you are suffering to sleep. You don't know where you will keep your hair, because those type of things are spoiling hair. And the children, as I said, let us keep their hair a little bit loose. So this actually, maybe I don't know how to make hair. This is my style that I always do for my child, and I know that she's happy with those style. When I do it, even she's looking beautiful. So it's okay for me to be doing that type of style. So but make sure your child, if you are doing your child hair, make sure to be doing it loose, and don't be putting so many gels, because there are some people also, when they are going to make their children hair or their own hair, they will put maybe half of the gel wax. They will put half of the gel into their scalp, which is not good, because those things are not healthy. It can only cause build up to your hair, and the build up can cause you to lose hair, because it will cause you to different level else. So guys, tell me, how many percent are you going to give me? 10/10, or 5/5, or how many? Look at my daughter hair. The hair is heading. Thank you very much. We love you all. Bye bye.